thought that I would show you a couple of like Lolita inspired witch outfits for Halloween because it's that time of the year again. Anyway, so this one I've sort of gone like, I don't really want to call this country Lolita because I don't really know if you would, because I'm still a novice, but I sort of like get a country vibe from this with the two clashing patterns. You've got the tartan on the top, and then you've got the stripes, and then you've got polka dots, a little tiny bit of polka dot, which gives it a mismatch look a little bit. And then you've got the collar, which is quite like, it's got embroidery on it. You've got the hat here, which, you know, it's just a hat with, it's a witch's hat with flowers on it. So yeah, very cute in my opinion. And then with the shoes, I've just sort of got frilly socks with red shoes on it. But the shoes themselves are a little bit bright, so I would actually wear a darker pair of shoes usually if you're going with this kind of outfit, because I feel like these shoes are kind of just a little bit too bright of a red, considering with the hat we've got this darkish red, and with the jacket darkish red as well. So yeah, that's outfit number one. I've gone for a more dark kind of witch. I've even put in some pagan elements to make it a little bit more towards the Wicca kind of thing. So you've got like, you know, the calendar. So yeah, and then you've got this just plain black hat. I've just left it plain and black, but I mean you could probably put something on it. So I'll show you the full outfit together. So this is the full outfit. So it's just a simple, you know, black Lolita dress with star fabric, white collar, the necklace with the pendant and the hat, and just some black shoes and frilly socks. So this one's quite simple, right? You've got these little like frilly bits too that are part of the straps, so they may poke through. I mean, if you want to push them under you can. If you don't, you know, what's a little bit of extra frill. So anyway, so I'll show you the hat. This is what they all look like naked, so with no intricate details. So then we'll go down. So I've got this symbol here, which is like a pagan kind of symbol. It's basically like a calendar, basically. You know, the whole like seasons and all that kind of stuff. So then we've got the dress. We've got some little star buttons here, right? We've got the waist kind of coming in, and as you know, we've got this material. So shiny, so wow. I love this dress, to be honest. When I opened it, I was so excited because it was so cute, and I really just loved the fact that it was pretty. So I've also got on my feet, that's not a very good example, on my feet I've got some ballet flats, just some fluffy ballet flats, because you know, they say like with Wicca, you know, I don't know, I just thought that they were cute and they felt right. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Wait, actually I've got one more outfit that I can try for you. This one is going to be a little bit fun. Bonus outfit. So say if your family is like super against you being a witch, because I've promoted a lot of witches this time, what about a kitty? So I've got like a little cat pom-pom thing. It's so soft. And I figured, because my dress has a big pink cat on it, I would show you like this outfit. Now I've got the white frilly socks on and the same shoes as last time with the cat head. So that's like a lot of fun. You know what else is fun? Now these are not going to color coordinate with this outfit at all because I've not planned this, but I don't know if you can see, I've got these wire cat ears and, you know, I just make flowers out of them. I've got to fill in this bit because it broke off. But I've got a few of these. You could make a flower crown, cat ear kind of thing. That one actually goes a bit better with the outfit because I think the green is a little bit brighter than the dress, but the pinks and stuff might match, you know. So, I mean, yeah, you might as well have fun with it though. Like, hopefully I've inspired some form of creativity. Obviously I'm a novice at Lolita, I'm not very skilled and I still have a lot to learn, so I've probably made a whole heap of mistakes and probably offended a lot of people, but on the plus side, at least like I'm having fun with it and it's all a learning experience. So, I mean, these are really fun to make and I did promise that I would do a tutorial. This is the same one as like one of my really early videos. I do have actually got a few of these cat ear things and I've got a lot of little flowers everywhere, so maybe in one of my coming up videos I will actually make one like I promised years ago and show you guys how I make them, because it is simple, but I mean, you guys might want to see how I do it. So anyway, that's the video. If you guys like the video, feel free to subscribe, and if you guys want to know about Lolita or you think that I should learn something about Lolita, feel free to make a comment down below and point me in the direction of what you want to know about. Anyway, I guess without further ado, I will talk to you guys later.